What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your boy back again with another video. I forgot to shoot an intro for this video, so this is the intro, alright? Today's video is me, my girlfriend, and my mom. She's teaching us how to make this this type of dessert, this Vietnamese dessert called BANH IT. Alright, bros and sis or whatever. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe if you want more of these kind of things. And let's get to the cooking. Yeah!
Vậy đó, rồi con mới giày rồi con cũng phải giữ vậy luôn, cái tay con giữ vậy luôn, rồi cái con hai tay con làm vậy nè, đó, rồi cái con cũng giữ vậy nè, đó, rồi cái con cuốn vô.
This is called BANH IT in Vietnamese. I don't know how to call it in English. Maybe it's a coconut dessert. Who knows? Let's do it. This is my mom.
Nè, đó, đu đi. Cái đây nè, con xếp vậy, cái này, đó, xếp vô. Lên vậy nè, đó nó mới tròn chứ con đừng có đè nó nhẹp xuống, nó nhẹp chứ không.
Whoa, we got a lot.
And we still got more. Cái đậu á là cái rang cái dừa mẹ nạo nè, rồi cái mẹ bỏ đường vô, cái mẹ xào, bỏ lên cái và bỏ cái đồ thơm đó, làm cho nó thơm cái nhân á.
She's explaining what she put into it to make this lovely treat.
Nhớ vuốt lên cho nó có cái nhọn.
Yes.
Giống ổ ong quá. Cho nó gói bánh giống ổ ong.
What's that mean?
Cái này mình ăn thôi á chứ.
Bì á. Ổ ong bì.
What's that?
Con bi á.
Mr. B?
Con bi nó bay vậy.
Oh, the bees.
Rồi mới làm không?
No. Nè.
Tấm cái kia vô cái. Đó. Bẻ cái đầu.
Bẻ đâu sao được chứ?
Nó cha biết làm á.
Không.
Cha biết ăn. Chết ơi, bộ không nói vậy chứ. Chết ơi.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, I did it.
Bẻ vô cái. Đè.
Like this? I got it. Yeah.
Here you do this.
I got it.
I can't get it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Đó đẹp rồi đó. Vậy nè, cái nè.
Got it. You got
Nè,
it.
vuốt vậy cái bẻ một. Tôi trả rồi.
Look, you did it.
I kinda did it.
It looks like that.
Cho cái miệng con gì nè. Nè. Chung là
Almost.
Chung là dù à.
Still learning. Oh my god.
Đi một thôi không? Vietnamese edition. And after when we're done with this, we're gonna hop it. How do you say hop in English again?
Steam.
We're gonna steam it. It's gonna be awesome.
Rồi đem về dưới, ý đem về mà ăn á. Cái nào mà nó xẹp á, nói cái này của con gối nè nha. Dạ, biết.
Alright guys, a quick update, alright? So we're done folding it and stuff like that, and now we're gonna steam them. And after when we're done steaming them, we're gonna try for you guys to see how it goes, alright? We did amazing, we had so much fun, and yeah, thank you again from my mother for teaching us how to do that. And one of these days, we'll make it on our own to see how it's gonna turn out. It's not gonna turn out that great, but you know, we're gonna try to make her proud. We're trying to make her proud. Let's go. Alright guys, now we are back, and the food is done, and now we're gonna taste test and see how it goes, alright? Alright guys, check it out. It is steaming hot. Let's open it and see how it looks like inside. Ooh, just like that. Just like that. Right, now, you don't eat the outside, okay? You just eat the inside. Let's have a bite. So good. Yes, thank you, Mom. Very good. Very good. Yeah. You didn't want to get your own?
Ngon ngọt rồi.
Wow.
This one must be this one must be mine. It ripped.
That's actually very good. Ngon này nè.
Supposed to look like a triangle. Look how.
Very good. Oh yeah.
Good, very good. I'm not even sweating. You did that because I bit your hand.
Yeah. And there you guys have it. Oh. And there you guys have it. That is me, my mom, and my girlfriend making our traditional, what is it? Like a pastry? I don't know if it's a pastry or not. It's a dessert, so maybe it is. I don't know, but anyways, thank you for tuning in with us. Thank you for watching us make this. It is awesome. I love it when mom makes this type of food every year, but she didn't do it she didn't do it this time around, so I mean, it's always fun helping her out and stuff like that. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video if you like it. Subscribe, please. I'm almost there. Let's keep this thing going. Alright guys, alright, be safe, take care, and I'll see you in the future. Deuces.